Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we are reviewing this product, the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 2% serum. This is the best selling of all the serums from the Ordinary, and whilst I have covered it on the channel before and reviewed it in full, since then, my understanding of niacinamide has changed completely, and also my approach to the Ordinary has also changed and altered slightly, and so I thought it was overdue for an updated review. This actually forms part of a series that I'm doing on the channel, reviewing the most popular serums from the Ordinary, and I'm going to leave a link to a playlist up there which captures all the videos in that series. Definitely worth checking out because honestly there is so much content there, so check that out if you haven't already. But I want this review to be short, sharp and to the point, so let's cut the waffle and delve straight on in. So the Ordinary Niacinamide offers this fantastic B vitamin in a 10% concentration. Niacinamide is the most hyped and talked about skincare ingredient of the moment, and it can do so much for your skin. In the right concentration it can calm and soothe the skin, which is great if you've got redness and inflammation. It's also great at regulating the oil levels in the skin. How effective it is at doing that is a little bit open for debate, but it definitely does have some benefits when it comes to evening out the oil production and minimize any greasiness that you might see in the skin. It's also proven to brighten our skin and can help to eliminate excess pigment, hyperpigmentation and dark spots, meaning it's an absolute savior for anyone that's suffering from acne, particularly if the acne leaves a mark or a scar behind afterwards. I'm 35 but I still suffer with adult acne, which is why I still do like to have a little niacinamide in my skincare routine to just help my skin to fight off any of those marks, fade any of the discoloration, and also suppress some of the excess oil that I produce. In terms of this product itself, it is super affordable. So this comes in at £5.90 for a 30ml bottle. They do also do a larger size bottle, which I love because honestly, if you like this product, definitely worth investing in the larger size quantity because you gram for gram, mil for mil, you actually get a bit of a saving in terms of the cost, which is a big bonus. But also it comes down on your overall reorder size, your shipping, air miles, better for the environment. So if you know you love this product, definitely worth investing in the larger size. I find that this small bottle probably lasts around 2 months. The larger size will last around 4 to 5 months. So definitely getting a lot of product for your money. The price point you can't argue with, but what's the truth? Does this product actually work? In my experience of using this product, I find it can be a little bit difficult and a bit problematic to incorporate in your skincare routine. The reason for that is a couple of the ingredients in here, particularly the emulsifiers, are actually quite strong and quite harsh. They almost act like surfactants, which is what we have in our cleansers to help clean the skin. As a result of that, you might notice some foaming if you use this product on damp skin. I know this is something that's commonly spoken about and it can be a bit off-putting because nobody wants their serums to foam, let's be honest. And you will get this with this. Obviously you can work around that by not applying this to damp skin. Make sure your skin is dry before you put the Ordinary Niacinamide on it, and that'll minimize any foaming that you might get. There are some other problems that come with that, however, because of the strength of some of these emulsifiers, they can actually strip and dry the skin. Again, not a massive problem if, like me, you have super oily skin, because some of that mattifying is actually a benefit that you get from this product. But if you're wanting a niacinamide for drier or combination dry skin, this product probably won't be for you. Having used niacinamide regularly, I definitely feel that it brightens the skin. I definitely feel that I get a more even complexion with it, and it does help to keep things matte and minimize the oiliness, particularly as we go through lunch into the afternoon where I can see my T-zone, things start to break apart and definitely look a little bit greasy and oily. This definitely helps to mattify me day long and supports with that. The Ordinary have incorporated a Zinc 2% in here as well as the niacinamide, which is fantastic because Zinc will also help regulate the oil levels and keep everything matte. This makes it a fantastic added benefit for anyone with super oily skin, but again, it could be additionally problematic if you have very dry skin because it could just exacerbate some of that dryness. So I personally would look for another niacinamide that's more hydrating and less likely to strip and dry the skin than this one. Overall, it's fantastic for those with oily skin, but there are a couple of things that I do want to call out. Most studies into niacinamide have shown it to be most efficacious at between a 3 and a 6% concentration. That's where you get all the great benefits from the calming, the soothing, the anti-redness, the pigment correcting benefits you get from this B vitamin, but you'll get minimal side effects in terms of sensitivity and irritation. I don't know why the Ordinary have decided to do this in a 10% concentration, which is almost double what most studies show to be most efficacious. As a result of that, some people will find this product to be a little bit sensitizing. You might get some stinging, some prickling when you use this product. That's not universal, and so many people, myself included, use this without any issue whatsoever. But it is something worth bearing in mind because I honestly think it's better to go for a lower strength niacinamide, something around the 4 or 5% concentration, because trust me, you'll get all the great benefits, but it'll just eliminate any risk of sensitivity and irritation from using the product. I personally don't reach for a standalone niacinamide in my skincare routine because I don't think you need it. If you turn and look at the ingredients list list of all your other skincare products, you'll see niacinamide listed on most of them. In effect, you're getting a cumulative effect of using it in various different products that's giving you your daily niacinamide need. I actually don't think you need to have a separate serum. If you are super oily and super acne prone and you rely on a niacinamide to really just pare that back and keep you matte all day long, then the Ordinary would be a fantastic, affordable and super applicable product to reach for. For all of the skin types, I think for me it would be a firm pass. And I do worry that with it being so popular, so many people are reaching for this without really matching it to their individual skin's needs and skin type. So a big tick in the box, ding ding ding, holy grail for super oily acne prone people. For everyone else, I'd go for a lower strength niacinamide with a little bit more of a hydrating base because that'll minimize any risk of sensitivity and side effects. Hopefully you found this video useful and you kind of will help you to navigate the Ordinary a little bit more. Definitely check out that playlist if you want to know a little bit more about some of the other products from the Ordinary, and I've left a link to this one down below if you do want to check it out, read the ingredients, the reviews, or make a purchase. If you have, if like me, you have super oily skin and you think this could be your holy grail. Sound off in the comment section with what you think of this product itself, and wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.